Hello! I will show you step by step how to make felt eyes. Let's start it. We will need felt in 3 colors, threads, scissors and vanishing markers. I prepared 3 patterns for you. They are available in the description of the video. Please cut them out. Put patterns on right felts, outline with vanishing marker, and now cut it out. Place white elements here and sew it with white thread. And now place blue elements here and sew them with blue thread. Put black patterns in the center of blue elements and sew them with black thread. If you want to make embroidery twinkles in the eyes, just click the video just appear on the screen. Thank you for watching, see you next time, bye bye!